हेलो फ्रेंड्स, CTT 2021 के चाइल्ड डेवलपमेंट एंड पेडागोजी के क्वेश्चन आज हम देखने वाले हैं। तो उसमें फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखते हैं। क्वेश्चन फर्स्ट, टू प्रमोट मीनिंगफुल लर्निंग इन द classroom, a teacher should meaningful learning in classroom teacher should first first help student to regulate their own emotions and motivation. Option second, categorize and label students according to their performance and make ability grouping. Option third, promote dialogue and discussion among children to build multiple perspective. Option 4, ignore diversity in the classroom and follow standard method of instruction. तो इसका करेक्ट आंसर सी होगा, सी। टू प्रमोट मीनिंगफुल लर्निंग इन द क्लासरूम टीचर शुड सी फर्स्ट एंड थर्ड help student to regulate their own emotions and motivation and promote dialogue and discussion among children to build multiple perspective. Question second, which of the following is not an effective strategy to address learners from disadvantaged and deprived backgrounds? Question repeat. Which of the following is not an effective strategy to address learners from disadvantaged and deprived backgrounds? इसका करेक्ट आंसर ऑप्शन फर्स्ट, मोटिवेट द स्टूडेंट टू सेट moderately challenging goals and provide appropriate instructional support. Option B, form collaborative groups to work on activities and encourage students to support each other. Option C, talk to the learners to understand their needs and challenges faced by them. Option D, option 4, asking the learners to enroll for tuition outside of school so that the teacher does not have to pay much attention to them. Correct answer D, asking the learners to enroll for tuition outside of school so that the teacher does not have to pay much attention to them. Question number 3, physical and emotional health of children, their learning. Physical and emotional health of children, their learning. Option A is not related to, B has an insignificant role in, C does not have any influence on, D plays an important role in. Correct answer is D, plays an important role in. 4. It is important to create learning environment in the classroom rather than one. Option A, fearful, facilitative, competitive, facilitative. C, collaborative, competitive. D, competitive, collaborative. Correct answer is C, collaborative, competitive. Question number 5, which of the following is an Example of effective motivational strategy to encourage students to learn. Option A, giving tasks that are very easy, creating a lot of opportunities for competition. C, providing scaffolding, scaffolding, especially when students learn a new skill. D, emphasis on completion of work rather than learning. Correct answer is providing scaffolding, especially when students learn a new skill. Question number 6. Which of the following statements about children's thinking is not correct? Option A, children actively think about various phenomena around them and have an urge to explore. Option B, children are born with curiosity to learn about the world around them. Option C, children construct their own theories about various phenomena around them. Option D, children cannot think of concepts of their own and primary role of teacher is to provide information. Correct answer D. Children cannot think of concepts on their own and the primary role of teacher is to provide information. Question number 7. Learning is a dash dash and dash dash portion. Learning कशी होती है? Option A, simple individual. Option B, complex passive. Option C, complex active. D, simple linear. Learning is a, answer C is correct. Learning is a complex and active process. Question number 8. A teacher should dash the social, cultural, religious, and linguistic diversity in her classroom to facilitate meaningful learning. Option A, understand. B, neglect. C, dismiss. D, ignore. Correct answer is understand. A teacher should understand the social, cultural, religious, and linguistic diversity in her classroom to facilitate meaningful learning. Question number 9. In a dash classroom, teachers adopt their pedagogy and vary assessment to cater to individual students. Option A, textbook centric. B, behavioristic. C, teacher centric. D, progressive. Correct answer is D, progressive. In a progressive classroom, teachers should adapt their pedagogy and vary assessment to cater to individual students. Question number 10. Children failure in school. Option A proves that these children have genetic birth defects and hence should be pulled out from school. B signifies that parents have not been able to support their children to learn. C suggests that children from deprived backgrounds are not capable of learning. D indicates that school has not been able to cater to the needs and interests of these children. Correct answer is D. Indicates that school has not been able to cater to the needs and interests of these children. Question number 11. By working in groups, teaching and helping each other, children. By working in groups, teaching and helping each other, children. Correct answer is C. Are able to reflect on their own thought processes and shift to a higher level of cognitive activity. Question number 12. School data socialization of children. School data socialization of children. Correct answer is B. Is a secondary agency of school is a secondary agency of socialization of children. Question number 13. Which of the following theorists proposed that children's thinking is qualitatively different from that of adults? Correct answer is C. Jean Piaget theory. Question number 14. Which of the following statements about development is correct? Development statement. Correct answer is C. There is a lot of cultural diversity in the development of children. Question number 15. Which of the following is a major hallmark of the period of middle childhood? Major hallmark of the period of middle childhood. Correct answer is D. Development of logical thought that is concrete in nature. Development of logical thought that is concrete in nature. Question number 16. According to Jean Piaget, children in a formal operational stage. According to Jean Piaget, children in a formal operational stage. Correct answer is are bound by centration and irreversibly of thought. Question number 17. At which stage of Lawrence Kohlberg's theory of moral development do individuals believe that actively maintaining the current social system ensures positive human relationships and social order? At which stage Kohlberg theory moral development do individuals believe that actively maintaining the current social system ensures positive human relationships and social order? Correct answer is D. Social order maintaining orientation. Question number 18. During the period of childhood, development is a multi-layered and complex. Correct answer is D. Question number 19. Zone of proximal development is. Zone of proximal development is. Correct answer is C. The area between child's current level of independent performance and the level of performance that the child could achieve with the help of adults and more skilled peers. Question number 20. In a progressive classroom, assessment of learners during the process of teaching learning. Progressive classroom, assessment of learners during the process of teaching learning. Correct answer is B. Is very important since it gives insights into children's understanding and helps the teacher to reflect on her pedagogy. Question number 21. Which of the following is a correctly matched pair of type of intelligence and end state performance possibilities as per Howard Gardner's theory of multiple intelligence? पेयर मैच करना है तो उसमें एक कॉलम दिया है टाइप्स ऑफ इंटेलिजेंस और दूसरे कॉलम में दिया है एंड स्टेट परफॉर्मेंस पॉसिबिलिटी. तो करेक्ट पेयर बॉडीली काइनेस्थेटिक विथ एथलीट इज करेक्ट. ऑप्शन बी इज करेक्ट. अकॉर्डिंग टू लेव वायगोत्स्की, correct answer is C. Language plays an important role in cognitive development of children. Question 23. ए चाइल्ड सेंटर्ड क्लासरूम इज वन इन विच चाइल्ड सेंटर्ड क्लासरूम कैसी होनी चाहिए? करेक्ट आंसर इज बी. The teacher is flexible and caters to need of individual children. Question number 24. According to which theorist, cultural tools play an important role in cognitive development of children? According to which theorist, cultural tools play an important role in cognitive development of children? Its correct answer is Lev Vygotsky. Question number 25. An effective classroom strategy to reduce gender stereotyping and broadening developmental possibilities for all sexes is effective classroom strategy to reduce gender stereotyping and broadening development possibility for all sexes is correct answer is B. Forming mixed sex activity groups and promote discussion. Question number 26. Multilingualism is in a classroom needs to be understood as dadas by the teachers. Multilingualism in a classroom needs to be understood as dadas by the teacher. Correct answer is C. An asset and resource. Question number 27. Needs of gifted and creative children can be addressed by gifted and creative children addressed by option C. Giving challenging tasks and activities to prevent boredom. Question number 28. Children with dyslexia can be identified. Children with dyslexia can be identified. Dyslexia means क्या होता है? Analyzing their reading and writing skills. Question number 29. Which of the following is not a suitable learning material for students who are partially sighted? जो बच्चे कम दृष्टि वाले हैं तो उनके लिए कौन सा मटेरियल स्कूल में हम यूज नहीं कर सकते? क्वेश्चन आंसर ऑप्शन बी इज करेक्ट. Small print worksheets. Question number 30. The underlying belief behind inclusive education is option B is correct. The philosophy that all children have right to get equal education in a regular school. So all questions are completed.